stand before you today to endorse the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, His Excellency Peter Obi. We have carefully evaluated the stances and policies of all the candidates and have come to the conclusion that His Excellency Peter Obi is the best choice for our nation. He has a proven track record of standing up for the rights of the marginalized and working tirelessly to improve the lives of all Nigerians. His dedication to fighting corruption and promoting good governance is unmatched. He has shown that he is committed to transparency and accountability in government, and he will work tirelessly to ensure that the resources of our nation are used for the benefit of all citizens. His plans for economic growth and development align with our values of fairness and justice, and will help lift millions of Nigerians out of poverty. He has a clear vision for how to address challenges facing our nation and has experience and leadership skills to implement it. As leaders of the cause of Islamic for good governance, we believe that His Excellency Peter Obi is the candidate who will lead our nation to a brighter future. We urge all our brothers and sisters in faith to join us in supporting him and working together to ensure a new Nigeria for all. May Allah bless our nation and guide us on the path of prosperity and peace. Rabbi Alami, if you have any who are young, who are to the woman who are asking, what is that? You to go for the other yesterday. What is it?
La 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 la.